Hello, this is Markus, and I'm glad you made it to this page to pick up your 2 free websites. You'll notice down at the page you'll see a website builder, and all this video is for is just a simple step-by-step process on how to get them free websites. So if you go down to the bottom of the page, you're going to see build a free website here. Now, all it's asking for is your name or what you're going to call your website. So you might want to put a little thought into this. I mean, you can call it whatever you'd like, or whatever your niche is going to be. But let's say that you're a baker, and let's say you bake bread. So just for instance, we'll put better bread here. Okay, and it's going to check and see if that is available. And as you can see, it says it's available. Now all you need to do is press this Build It Now button. When you press that Build It Now button, it's going to take you to this page right here. And it's also going to tell you on the right side it's available. All you got to do at this point is press Build My Free Website there. Once you do that, this page is going to pop up. It's going to want you to sign up. So what you need to do is you need to put your full name there, your email address, and a password and a username. And this way you'll be able to log into this and get to your websites all the time. So once you do that, it will take you to this page here. It's going to ask you what kind of website do you want to build. Alright, so all I want you to do here is just press right there on a free domain. Alright, so these other windows will pop up, and step 2 is it's going to ask you to choose the name of your website. Well, we already know that it's Better Bread, and it's still available. Step 3 is enter the title of your website. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the same name, and that's what you're going to call it. Step 4 is it's going to want you to choose your design. Now you don't need to take a whole lot of time here. All we need to do is get a theme in this WordPress so we can build this website out. So let's just take a simple theme right here, and we'll choose this theme. Okay, so that's the theme we're going to use for your website. You can change it later once you get this up. Next thing you're going to do is click this button here, and it's going to hold you tight for a few seconds, and it's going to do all the building for you. This is how simple this is. This takes less than a minute and you're up. Now once this page comes up, you're going to see all your login details, your admin details, and it's generated a password for you. And if you scroll down, you're going to see that you have site protection from spam on there. And it's already come pre-installed with 2 plugins. These are always installed in these websites. These 2 plugins, you can choose whatever ones you want after you get inside. So there's 2 ways of getting in this website now. You can use this login now button, which is what we're going to do, or you could use this admin login. And when you click that URL there, it's going to take you somewhere else where you have to enter the password you got here and admin, and then you can log in from there. But for right now, let's just log into this website now. Alright, now we're on the dashboard of your website, and this is where you're going to build out your pages. You're going to do your post. All of your work on your website's going to be here. And I might want to stop here for a minute and tell you again, if you didn't read it, that when you pick up these two websites, also included is 10 lessons on how to build your business, which will include how to set your pages up correctly, working with their themes and so forth and so on. So you want to go to those lessons, and I'll try to show you where they're at while we're in here. But anyways, this is your dashboard, and this is where everything that you do on your website is going to occur. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that, and you notice it comes preloaded with some of this stuff. You don't always need to have it, I guess. If you want it, you can just move it around. If you don't want any of this stuff, come up to the right hand side where it says screen options, click it, and let's say you don't want at glance. You just click it there and close that up. Okay, that's just that simple. All right, so now the next thing we want to do is we want to check and see about your theme, or leastwise I would. So right here under appearance, you go to themes, and it'll show you what theme you had just picked, which was this hero theme, and it gives you some other options here. If you decide you don't want this hero theme, then all you have to do is come up here and add new, and it'll give you a bunch more to choose from. There's roughly 2,000 to 3,000 themes in here you can pick, but I'd suggest that you just pick up something simple. If you notice that some of these big websites, like, let's say Craigslist, they're really ugly. I mean, they're really ugly, but it's a huge website, and it's a simple website, so keep that in mind. But then again, it depends on what you're actually trying to do. So we're going to go back up to the dashboard here, and we want to see what the website looks like now. Just above your dashboard is your name, your website name, Better Bread. You just right click on visit the site, and it'll take you to your website, and that at this point is exactly what it looks like. Okay, so there's nothing on this website. You have to build it all out and build some pages and that type of thing. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Once you get up in here, the lessons that take you through, it's all pretty self-explanatory. Remember I told you that you had a certain amount of plugins that were already in there. It comes preloaded with these, so all you have to do is check your plugins, and if they're needing updates, which they do, we'll press that and it'll update that plugin, and then you can press that and it'll update that plugin, and you're good to go with your plugins. You're good to go with your theme. It says there's more updates to this, so let's just see what's there. We'll update that theme. We didn't pick that theme, but we'll update it anyways. And then whatever else is in there. Oh, it wants to update WordPress, so we're going to do that as well. Folks, this is simple. This stuff is all simple. All right. WordPress is updated. Go back to the dashboard. Okay, and as I said, you can take these things and put them there and take them off, whatever you need, whatever you want. For your post, just click on the one that says post, and there's your preloaded one. I suggest you get rid of that. All you do is trash it from there. Same thing with your pages. There's the one that says sample page. You'll want to get rid of that. Settings for this website are all in here. All your general settings, your title, your tagline, all your email, everything. So you'll want to go through all this and look at that. And that's pretty much all there is to setting this website up. If you have any other questions, there's a contact form down here. Please feel free, contact me. I'll get you all the help I can. Once you get signed up to do these websites, you'll have an opportunity to do some certification letters, certification courses, and I'll show you exactly where they're at. Okay. There'll be a green arrow on this page right here. There'll be a green button that says certification, and yours will be right in there. You just click on that certification, and it's going to bring you up to all these classrooms right here. And you just got lots and lots of classes that you can go through. So there's going to be a lot for you to learn. I might mention that while you're in here, for the first 7 days, you're going to have what we call premium access to everything for 7 days on your free account. So everything in here you get to access. That's over and above your 10 lessons. So there's an affiliate programs, which you can get down in here and look at, and there is we have some live video classes that go on every Friday, and these are some pretty extensive classes. They're not your everyday online classes, so you'll have them available to you. And if you get stuck at any point in dealing with your website, there's a chat line here that's over on the right hand side. All you have to do is go up into the right hand corner and just click there and ask for help. You can ask for help 24/7. Somebody will help you. You might give it a minute or two, but somebody will help you. If they don't help you within the first minute or two, ask again. Somebody's bound to help you. And if nobody's still helping you, then you can up at the very top, you don't see it here, but up at the very top is another search to where you can ask a question to the whole community, and they will get back to you. So questions, if you got questions, ask them. Don't hesitate. There's no reason to get stuck on anything. This community here has around 800,000 people. From what I can tell, I've been here for a number of years, and it's grown. You've got a lot of great people to help you. Okay, well that's it. I hope this helps you set your websites up. Watch it again if you need more help. And when you get inside, look me up. You'll see you'll look for my profile. It's Markus SA, and I'll know when you get there. So I'll talk to you as soon as you get your site up, and I wish you all the luck in the world getting your business up, because you can do it here.